In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy TradingView indicator script. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring code into the Pine Editor. Save it safely and see it on your chart without confusion. First, make sure you are on any TradingView chart. At the bottom of the screen, find the Pine Editor tab and click it. This is where all Pine script work happens, and opening it gives you a dedicated space to view, edit, and manage your indicators and strategies. Next, access the code you want to copy. If it's one of your own scripts, click Open in the Pine Editor. Then choose My Script and select the script you want. This loads your existing code so you can review or reuse it. If you are working with a public script, go to the Scripts page and copy the code from there. If it's a built-in script and the code isn't directly shown, click the More button, the three dots, and choose Make a Copy. That option duplicates the built-in into your editor so you can work with it. Keep in mind, some scripts might be protected or obfuscated. In those cases, copying won't be possible. With the code ready, create a clean workspace so you don't mix anything up. In the Pine Editor, click the arrow next to New and select Blank Indicator Script. This gives you a fresh template that's ideal for pasting code without leftover lines from other projects. You'll see some default code appear. Select all of it and clear the editor. Then paste your copied code. Before you move on, save your work. Click Save, or use the shortcut Ctrl+S. Give your script a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later. Saving not only stores your code but also enables versioning, making it easier to track changes over time. Now, you are ready to see it in action. In the Pine Editor menu, click Add to Chart. TradingView will compile the code and, if everything is valid, overlay the indicator directly on your chart. If you see any errors, read the message at the bottom of the editor. It usually points to the exact line causing trouble and helps you fix issues like missing inputs or Pine version mismatches. That's it. Open the Pine Editor. Access the code, create a blank indicator script. Paste and save, then add it to your chart. Follow these steps anytime you want to copy and save a TradingView indicator script, and you'll have a smooth, repeatable workflow every time.